A statistical analysis plan defines exactly how data from a clinical trial will be analyzed. It is the link between the protocol and the results, turning study objectives into clear, predefined analysis steps. A well-written statistical analysis plan protects against bias, ensures reproducibility, and shows regulators that the trial's findings are credible and transparent. Statistical analysis plans are essential for almost every interventional trial. They are created once the protocol is final, before any data are examined. At this stage, objectives and estimands are agreed, so the plan can specify how endpoints will be assessed, how missing data or unexpected events will be handled, and how results will be summarized. Regulators expect a version-controlled plan before database lock, forming part of the submission package and the foundation for statistical programming and reporting. A statistical analysis plan sits between the protocol and the statistical outputs. It outlines datasets, methods, and presentation standards. A typical structure begins with the study overview and objectives, followed by definitions of analysis populations such as the safety set, full analysis set, and per-protocol set. It then describes the data standards to be used, often following CDISC models like SDTM for tabulation and ADaM for analysis. Next come general conventions, including how baselines, visit windows, and outliers are handled, and how multiplicity or missing data will be managed. The methods section explains which models will be used for each endpoint type, such as continuous, binary, or time to event, and any planned sensitivity analyses. A strong statistical analysis plan also covers interim analyses, including timing, error control, and who will see unblinded data. It defines table and figure shells showing exactly how results will appear. These shells guide programmers and validators, ensuring consistent outputs. Finally, the plan sets out quality control, traceability, and change control procedures. Every method must be justified and feasible within the trial design. Timing is critical. The plan should be finalized and approved before data can influence analysis decisions, usually before soft lock. Any changes after that must follow controlled versioning with clear rationale, documented impact, and approval from the lead statistician. All teams, including programming, validation, and medical writing, must work from the same version to avoid inconsistencies. Clarity on data derivations is another cornerstone. The statistical analysis plan must define exactly how key variables are created, such as change from baseline or responder status. It should describe baseline rules, imputation methods, and censoring logic. Each derivation must trace back to the source data. Analysis flags should be precise, for example, identifying treatment emergent events or records included in each analysis population. This transparency enables reproducible code and straightforward audits. Before programming begins, the plan should pass a thorough quality check. Confirm that estimands align with study objectives, populations are correctly defined, and shells match endpoints. Interim analyses should have predefined timing and firewall arrangements. Figure conventions, such as axis labels, censoring symbols, and handling of overlapping points, should also be specified. Independent code review and clear archiving procedures complete the quality control framework. Common pitfalls can undermine even well-designed trials. Teams sometimes draft the statistical analysis plan too late or make changes after seeing data, which risks bias. Others fail to specify derivations or missing data rules, leaving gaps that programmers must interpret. Misalignment between the plan and data management plan often leads to derivations that cannot be implemented. Interim analyses are sometimes underdefined, with no safeguards for unblinding. Complex statistical models that the data cannot support can delay delivery and raise regulatory concerns. Regulators now emphasize traceability and data integrity. They expect a visible chain from the protocol to the plan, from the plan to the code, and from the code to the final outputs. That chain relies on controlled access, audit trails, and reproducible programming. A clear, well-documented statistical analysis plan demonstrates that every result is planned, verifiable, and defensible. In summary, the statistical analysis plan is the operational and statistical blueprint for every trial. It defines how data become evidence, guiding consistent analyses and reliable conclusions. When written early, kept clear, and managed under strict control, it strengthens quality, compliance, and confidence in every study outcome. To learn how Quanticate can support your next trial, email inquiries@quanticate.com or submit an RFI through our website.